Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications on your YouTube, right? So after you log in with your account on YouTube, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on the notifications bell at the top next to your profile icon. Basically, you're going to see all the newest notifications. Just go ahead and click on the settings gear of the notifications, and you're going to see right here the general. Basically, scroll a little bit down and make sure that you toggle this one on so you get the notifications daily, right? If someone subscribed to your channel, you will get notifications, and if someone recommended if YouTube recommended videos, will be notified as well to your channel. And any activity on your across your channel, you're gonna see it right here. Reply to my comments, share content, promotional content, and offerings. Just make sure that you basically toggle this one on so you can get the newest basically the newest activities across your channel. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on all the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.